Now let's get baby ready to safely ride. Place your baby into the car seat with the straps, the harness straps going around through their arms and around their middle. Once you click, okay, you want to hear those clicks. Now what we want is not more than 2 finger spaces in between baby and the straps. So we're going to tighten the straps, and you don't want to be able to pinch the harness straps. So we're going to tighten again. You want it nice and tight for security. You also want the chest clip to be at the chest. I like to stick my 2 fingers under baby's armpits and cross my thumbs, and that helps secure that the chest clip is indeed at the chest. Nice and tight. You can't pinch, not more than a finger, 2 there, and baby's safely ready to ride. The angle of the recline on the car seat is another component that's equally important. On this Graco, you will see that there's 3 levels of reclining. This will all determine the comfort and recline of the baby. The smaller they are, the higher the recline. As they age, the recline will then bring the baby forward. Vertical car seats, you'll find a lever that once pulled will help adjust the reclination of the car seat. You want to make sure to send in your registration card. This will ensure that you will receive contact notice if there's a recall or you need replacement parts, and this will create much ease in dealing with the manufacturer. Also, you want to make sure to keep your manual very handy. You never know when there's a question that arises. It'll be all in your manual. Another thing that you want to make sure is to make sure that your car seat isn't expired. Did you know that a car seat expires? You will have your manufacturer date, your expiration date, or the date that it was made. You have about 7 years, depending on the car seat, to utilize your car seat. Okay. What about extras in the car seat? I want to be able to see my baby in the mirror. They want toys. Those are all nice in theory. However, they pose a danger to the driver and the baby. Having danglies in the car seat will hit baby as you drive, right? And also, they are projectiles. In an impact, the projectile can come and impact the driver or other passengers in the vehicle, as with other keys, your phone, your purse, other toys in and around the vehicle. Those glass mirrors that we think will be nice to be able to see baby in our own river mirror actually distracts the driver staring to their child in the back. So be leery about all the extras. As a certified child passenger safety technician, I love installing car seats, and at Vegas Family Doulas, we will help you install your car seat. And you can also check out safekidsclarkcounty.org to find the nearest car seat check station in the Valley.